Hi, another day, another surgery. So, I'm back, no? Balik na po trabaho after attending, no? My duties as ninong sa Boracay. Wow, social po yung aking inatinan, no? Kapartner ko po yung aking wife, si Dr. Vasquez. So, we attended the wedding sa Boracay. Yung kinasal po yung aking dating training fellow, no? Nag-graduate na ngayon. So, kinasal po siya sa Boracay, hampas lupa po siya. Walang pera. No, but he has a very good practice in San Pablo. Yung clinic niya po nasa San Pablo. No, so, congratulations, Dr. Aishin or Shin Akiyama. No? So, yan po, natutuwa po ako kasi yung mga graduates po namin, no, yung mga naturuan ko na very successful ang kanilang practice, nakakatuwa. No? Dahil naipasa ko po yung aking knowledge sa kanila and they're doing it very well. No? So, napakaganda pong tignan na successful sila. So, our cases for today, no? Actually, done cases. Dalawa po ang ating done cases today dahil magdi-December na, this batch will be graduating, matatapos na yung kanilang training. So, they have to do yung kanilang mga done cases. So, today, we're going to have 2 cases of breast augmentation. So, they'll be the one doing it. I'll be assisting them. No, nandun po ako. I'll check. May grading system po yan. No? Mahigpit po kami. When you do the done cases, dapat talaga magawa mo on your own. Para pag nagpa-private practice ka na, you will do it right. No? Diyan po yan sa Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery Training Management Group. Ako po yung chairman po noon ng aming training. No? So, dalawa po ang ating breast augmentation. Hopefully, huwag masyadong matagal sana. No? Siyempre kasi habang nagsa-surgery sila, may teaching po yan. No? Tinuturuan ko, may konting lecture, siyempre. No? So, that's it. No? So, ang ating pong outfit today is pang ano po uli, no? Pang gobyerno po uli ito. So, meron po tayong senador, meron tayong congressman, meron pong bago ngayon na nasasangkot ng mga cabinet members, no? Cabinet secretary. So, 3 pong buhaya yan. So, inuulit ko po, hindi naman po lahat sila ganoon dyan sa atin. Mas marami po yung may mga malilinis na puso, no, na handa pong tumulong para sa ating mga kababayan. No? So, yan po. Another day, another surgery. Another day. Wala po tayong watch ngayon. Naiwan ko doon. So, see you. Hi, we're done doing the breast augmentation of our 2 training fellows. So, napakaganda po. They placed 400cc, no, above the muscle. No? So, that's subglandular. Our training fellow or surgeon, our surgeons, Dr. Janice Ricardo. And the other surgeon is Dr. Noemi from saan ka ba?
From Lawag.
From Lawag. Naku, layo pala ng pinanggalingan ito. No? And Dr. Noemi Muhalin, right? From Cagayan, no? So, our assist, Dr. Jason uli, Binayaw, no?
Hindi na binipayaw.
Hindi binipayaw. Dr. Binayaw and Dr. Gio Ricalde. Yan. Ano po to? Koreano. No? Hindi lang yung kulay. So, another day, another surgery.
Okay. Hello everyone. Okay, so kakatapos lang natin ng second done case for today. As you can see, wala si Doc Toots Vasquez. May ongoing OR na siya sa kabilang room. Ako po si Seth Villamor from Cebu City, a senior training fellow of Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. And here are the team. No? Here is the team responsible for a second breast augmentation done case for today. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Eileen Mendoza from Bulacan.
I am Dr. A. Zamora from Legazpi City.
And Loreto III from Nueva Ecija.
Okay. And what Boss Toots always says, Another day, another surgery.